Hello folks, it is official. We are now a full-time RV family. Our very first stop on the rolling turtle journey, we found our haven at the picturesque Misty Meadow Sheep Dairy, a delightful harvest host farm. Some other fellow RVers shared this idyllic spot with us, creating an atmosphere of camaraderie. Join us this memorable escapade were my mom, my nephew, my niece, Dee, Pearl, and me. Together, we immersed ourselves in an authentic dairy farm experience. And what a place it was! Misty Meadow, a peaceful sanctuary. Venturing into the farm shop, discovered a treasure trove of local goodies, from delectable cheese to farm fresh delights. The kids reveled in every moment, bonding with goats, feeding the cheerful chickens, and embracing the freedom of the playground. With hearts full of memories, we bid adieu to Misty Meadow and hit the road toward our next destination, our campground in Cape May, where adventure and challenges await. Here's our trusty RV, our home on wheels, nestled in the heart of nature's embrace. Now, take a look at the challenge we face. Right here is where we need to position our Starlink dish for that crucial internet connection. But here's the catch, folks. That 70 feet might as well be a wilderness with thick, towering bushes that make it impossible to walk through. Some of them even dwarf our RV in height. Yep. You heard that right. These high bushes are like an impenetrable wall, standing between us and the perfect spot for our Starlink dish. Coming up. I think there's less interest. I think because of the tape, the tape was around the drone, was messing with the sensor, so I was flying like crazy. It was not easy, it was not like very nice, so I ended up crashing, but I crashed very close to the grass. I would say that was a success, although it's very tight, so let's see how it works. Okay, so I have the pedestal right here, and I have the place that I'm going to put the router right there. I'm gonna secure with a plastic box so it doesn't go wet, and I'm wet. I'm sweating so hot, but let's see how the setup goes. All right. Oh my god, this is quite work. Starlink is here, it's booting, so hopefully it's gonna work. Denise is the other side also to test the internet. Let's see how it goes.
I'm gonna see if it works.
You have to work now that after all this ordeal. So that's the setup.
Rename.
I think Starlink, you should hire me to create those solutions for your clients, you know.
It needs to be called the Tico instead of the MacGyver anymore.
Oh my god. Okay, it's all connected, you know. Let's see if the internet is any good. We finally got the canopy situation squared out. Finally. Oh my god, that was a hard mission. But look, now we have shade and the net for mosquitoes. In the beach doesn't make any difference. I mean, maybe cut a little bit of the wind, but other than that, it's just more for the mosquitoes. And we just brought all the way to the beach first time using, eager to see the setup in the campground there. But we are in Wildwood, New Jersey. We did find this free beach here, and it's quite good. It's a long walk from the boardwalk, and this cart is pretty good, but when it's sand, it's not as smooth and easy, but we managed. And they have also a taxi. It's like those golf cart, and takes you from the boardwalk here back and forth, and it's $3 per person, so it's quite affordable. We might try this later when you are tired. But the beach is pretty nice, very family friendly, you know, a lot of kids around, and it's very different from Atlantic City for sure. So if you are in the shores, you want a quiet, busy but quiet environment for the kids, that's the place. We're getting a tornado watch. Wow, first one from our LV life. We got a few storms, but not tornado yet. Since we had the canopy now, canopy was an ordeal to figure it out. We're going to make the canopy the shelter for all the little things we have. Hopefully it's gonna stay in place, and that's what we are going to do right now, organizing everything inside. I did make a little kitchen outside because our RV is 30 amp, so it's not strong enough for AC, grill, air fryer, microwave all at the same time, so we do that here, and also prevents the smell in the RV too, so it's quite convenient. So I have all the setup there, and now we are going to work here. Let's prepare for the tornado. Comes, we are ready. So canopy, stay there. Oh, wind. They recommend you to put back your awnings too because it can break. So I have some fairy lights set up. I have to take out now. Let's do it. I think we're ready. More or less. Huh?
I was like, this is the backyard. Come at me, tornado.
Yeah. Put everything here. The awning is retracted and the wind is coming. Holy moly! I think we're gonna have at least a little tornado here. I'm excited for the tornado though. We have to close that too. But look how organized everything was, because we arrived yesterday and we moved sites and oh my god, it was a mess, and today it was raining. Everything was all over the place, but now everything is organized. Look how beautiful it is.
Did you fake the tornado to make us clean up?
Well, no. But I wish we have tornado every single day so we'd be more organized, but that's fine, that's cool. We are organized for today. Come tornado! Freaking tornado didn't come at all. Was supposed to start like at 5. It's 8:14. So we went for a bike ride, me, Dee, and Pearl. Very happy. It was kind of windy, but not that much. And then when we came back, I was putting the lock in the bike. It started raining, and for some reason I could not lock the bikes for 20 minutes. So I'm 20 minutes in the rain trying to put the locker. I'm soaked here, but the storm came. The rain started. Right now it's raining quite a lot. Let's see if it turns to a tornado or just a storm. But our stuff is outside there, so hopefully everything is gonna be secure. Oh my god, we did survive the tornado watch. We did survive that. It's raining like crazy. Our canopy works like a champ though. Very good.